Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to talk about meme coins, the possibility of a meme coin rally. We're seeing some nice strength in the meme coin market, and we want to show you some charts. So make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel.
For sure, for sure. CM, show us some meme coins. Love, go for the charts. What are you seeing?
All right, so Turbo is a very nice leader of the meme coins. Okay, it had the strongest move in the last 2 days. Turbo exploded pretty much all the way to 157% move. Okay, that's no joke. That's not the joke at all. Okay, now this
Sure.
is showing us. It's showing us that meme coin traders are back into some meme coin, and we see strength. And this is actually open our eyes for other meme coin trading as well. So this is a very good sign for the meme coin industry. Again, this is not, we're not calling for a bull market reversal Turbo to $200 billion. We're just looking on Turbo, and it's showing that a very nice buyers are coming in. Now we're looking for a setup on Turbo, maybe sideways, maybe down, maybe pullback, and for us to go into a position. Definitely red hot on my radar. This is one chart I'm watching for meme coin. Another one we have is Fartcoin. Okay, Fartcoin is a meme coin that we're trading in the community. Let me show you a clean chart. Okay, you can see Fartcoin had a very nice bottom. Had a very nice bottom here. That's the nice inverse head and shoulders here. You can see the pattern here, and it broke out in beginning of April, had a retest, then ran higher. So this Fartcoin is a much sexier meme coin in my opinion than all the others, because you can see it's in a clear uptrend. On the daily chart, you can see higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. One of the best charts in crypto now, and that shows me, hey, time to pay attention. Meme coins are getting stronger. If you like to trade meme coins, this is the time you want to open your eyes for meme coin trading opportunities, because that's how it looked like. Meme coins are getting love. Money is going into meme coins. And remember, when Bitcoin is going up, usually in the last year as well, if you look on 2024, the best movers with the Bitcoin rallies or bounce were mainly meme coins. Meme coins outpaced all the utility coins. If you look on the sector, so for me and Jomo, we are traders. We like opportunities to make money, and meme coins offer us amazing opportunity to make money. So now we're watching meme coins, and I have 3 positions of meme coins, and yeah, looking forward to the meme coin bull run.
The continuation. Look, Sam, you said some beautiful things, and I want to kind of lean on what you said. First of all, we're not saying we're calling for new all-time highs on Turbo and the meme coins. We don't know. We're traders. What we are seeing right now is, after shorting them for a couple of months, we saw an opportunity to go long on meme coins. Now, the beauty of meme coins, we know, is that it's retail dominated, right? So whenever retail feel confidence, right, they get in and they get in strong on meme coins. Specifically, as you said, meme coins, no doubt about it, were the best, hottest sector of the last 2 years, right? The last 2 years, those meme coins were the hottest sectors, made a lot of money for people, for us as well. We traded meme coins. We shorted afterwards. Meme coins went into their own bear market with altcoins, and now they went sideways, as you saw, and we're seeing opportunity. CM, we're seeing opportunity for potential continuation. And as traders, we want to open our eyes, right? We ditch the belief we had that they're in a bear market right now, and we are in a new belief system which tells us they are in a rally. All right, how long will the rally go? We don't know, but we want to capitalize on the new information. Okay, you show Turbo, I'm going to show some interesting charts as well. Okay, I'm going to show things that people want to see, and first and foremost, it's going to be something I know a lot of people love. I don't care about it too much, but I'm going to share for people. This is Giga. Some people love Giga for some reason. Okay, if you're a Giga trader, I want you to notice you can right now wait for a potential horizontal resistance, right? Look at this area, since all the way here, This had multiple areas where it got stuck. Was it resistance here, then support here, resistance again, and now it's holding as resistance. If I was a Giga lover, right, and what I'm giving now is some free alpha, right? I'm teaching you how to look at something like a trader, right? If I was a Giga lover, I would be waiting to see a consolidation below this, 24 cents, as tight as possible, take the breakout, right? This would be a breakout, put a stop loss below the pivot, for invalidation. That's how you know you're safe. You don't make stupid mistakes like people writing down 90% on the profits, on the capital. No, you have a stop loss. Boom, you took a trade. Now, you don't want Giga, you think it's just another meme shitcoin? No worries. Let's take a look at another one. Let's take a look at Pepe CM. Pepe is creating something very similar. Look at this. You can see that in the past it had something similar. Okay, so I'm not going to reiterate what I said right now. I'm going to leave that for your imagination. But what we're seeing now is potential continuations. Now, CM, people may not understand what we're trying to say over here, and that's perfectly fine. We try to give free knowledge, free alpha for everyone, and they can learn. But if they want to really understand what I'm talking about for Pepe right now, for example, if they want to see trade alerts, once we do them, we had trade alerts on Fartcoins, we had trade alerts on many other, altcoins, meme coins in this past week, all in profit, by the way. Okay, you should join our community and you can see all the trades that we take, right? You don't want to miss the Giga trade, join the community. You don't want to miss the Pepe trade, join the community. And of course, yeah, we're going to teach them how we do that so they can make money with us while actually learning real knowledge, okay, of how to do that. So when they are going to be in 20 years from now, they're going to be widely profitable because they mastered the markets. And that's how we differentiate for all the rest of the noise on YouTube. We actually give a skill set. So join the community. See, they have a 20% off for this bull 20 LFG. Let's fucking go, right? This is the coupon code. Take advantage. Scan the QR code. We will see you in our membership. Take advantage now, and we're going to see you in the next video as well. After meme coins has pumped, gave us a trade. CM, I'm going to see you in the next one. No edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.